Welcome to Yogi Ram Podcast. Today we are honored to have Dr. Sudhir Arora sir as our guest, a distinguished alumnus of Maulana Azad Medical College, Delhi University. Dr. Sudhir Arora sir earned his MBBS in 1979 and has over 13 years of experience in full spectrum family medicine. His passion for health and well being drives his integrative approach, blending the wisdom of ancient Indian tradition with modern Western medicine. Dr. Sudhir Arora sir specialized in personal counseling and leads the transformative Seven Mind Secret Group training aimed at helping individuals overcome severe anxiety without medication. His unique method empowers professionals to reclaim their confidence and achieve a beautiful, magical, wonderful life, an experience of joy, fulfillment, and social contribution. Join us as we dwell into his insight and methods for achieving lasting well-being. Very warm welcome Sudhir sir. आपका योगीराम पॉडकास्ट में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है and thanks for your precious time.
Welcome, sir. Thank you very much. I'm honored, sir. Privileged.
Sir, moving to the first question. Sir, please share your journey from being a medical practitioner to become a renowned life coach and anxiety expert.
Thank you very much, sir, for calling me and being with me today. I'm honored. I'm privileged. In a few months, I'll be crossing 70 years of age.
Great, great.
My experience has become 46 years complete as of today. And why I landed into this profession, माथे की तीन लकीरें. My first marriage ended in divorce because it was a hugely stressful part of my life. I was very anxious from beginning because I had to perform, I had to become a topper, go to medical college, and if I tell you my score was 47 out of 50, I was so anxious in my medical days, and then started the nursing home. Hugely stressful life. So both of us were very stressed out and very anxious. So anxious wife, anxious husband, leading to anxiety square in the marriage.
Okay.
So, so ultimately, we kept on fighting, and then we thought, like everybody thinks that the problem is with Delhi, because I am from Delhi. The weather is bad, so let's shift over. We sold off everything, moved over to Pune. And then we realized that Pune is as good as Delhi. The problem was with me. So at that time, I didn't know all these things. And anxiety score was 47. Then I had landed into meditation to come out of my problems. And then basic meditation, advanced meditation, samadhi, self-realization, the whole spectrum. So now for the last 34 years, I am into meditation and teaching meditation. So because of that, my anxiety score came from 47 to 3 by 50. And it is there at 3 o'clock, 3 ever since that time. And that was something like about 35 years ago. So then we came to Pune, we realized that we are not made for each other any longer. The distance is too big. And so we got divorced by mutual consent. Then I got married to my present wife, Madhushri. She is a Kannada Maharashtrian, Kulkarni from Bangalore. Met in Pune. I am from Delhi. Met in Pune through a marriage broker. And I must tell you this. She had written in her biodata that I don't want to marry a doctor, a Punjabi, a divorcee.
Okay.
I तो तीनों ही हूँ. मिला तो दो. And then we met, and then I convinced her to marry me in 3 days. My total expense on the rickshaw, auto rickshaw and rose flower was 81 rupees. Why I'm telling you this is that, this is called Kismat.
Right, very true.
Delhi, Pune, Bangalore, meeting here, and she said, I don't want to marry a doctor, Punjabi, and we get married on 15th August. And first day itself, our life became a blockbuster hit. And life has been a beautiful journey with her ever since. And I understood that my life is my responsibility 100%. I have stopped blaming anybody, any situation, ever since I landed into meditation. I undertake 100% responsibility of my life in my hands. My life, my ownership. So there's no use blaming anybody. I had to learn. Life had to teach me some lessons. So I learned the lessons, got married. Life was beautiful. And then we started this journey of teaching people, and Seven Mind Secrets is the name of the course, and where we teach, take classes, counseling, consultations, all that happens. And that's how it began about 32 years ago or so. And I'm in front of you here.
Sir, moving to the next question, and yes, the important one also. What inspired you to combine the wisdom of ancient Indian tradition with modern advancement in Western medicine and science?
Very good question, sir. Sir, please understand, this is the century, 21st century, but that time there was not much of advancement in the medical machines to diagnose what's happening in the brain. In the last 25 years or so, 30 years or so, a lot of things have come up. What is called neuroscience and brain science. A lot of things have happened. So I was always interested. So a lot of R&D I have been doing into the brain science understanding, and a lot of books and a lot of teachers, masters, gurus. So I realized during my journey that meditation is the best way.
Right.
Without medicines, without any side effect. But then everything got to have a proof also.
Hmm.
And that machines, that investigations like functional MRI, CT scan, so many tests. Today they're given us the proof. Whatever our rishis said
Right.
is actually happening here in this dabba. So this master, everything is happening and everything's got a proof now. So when we started, we combined, and then slowly over the years things developed. And today meditation, mind power, brain power, breath power, all that has got a scientific basis in the brain, in the body. So everything has come true. Everything has been proved true. So whenever we teach, I always give the what, why, how, what happened, why it happened, what is the science behind it,
Hmm.
now how to come out of it. So one must understand very, very, very important point in our life. What is science? Science is, please, 100 degree Celsius. If you heat water, pure water at the sea level, water will boil. Whether you boil it, I boil it, that is called science. Male does it, female does it, child does it, old man does it,
Hmm.
right? That is called science. That means anybody can do it if you follow the same steps. Exactly same thing is happening in our body, in our mind, at the soul level. Follow the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get the same result what I got or any teacher got, any yogi got. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do like this, you get the same results. But the only thing is that you experience it yourself.
Hmm.
People can't go into your heart and see it.
Right. Right.
But then how to see whether this is right or not? Only one answer. Andar Shanti. Bahar Kranti. Life changes. People see the difference. They see the effects. Something has happened. This person who was so anxious is so cool and calm and smiling and happy now. So there's a science, no? Anybody can do it. A, B, C, D. Anybody can do it. So this is totally scientific now. Totally scientific.
Sir, moving to the next question and my favorite one. Please elaborate on your 7 mind secret approach to overcoming several anxiety without the use of medication. Sir, क्या क्या anxiety होती है and how this your unique techniques help people?
Very good question, sir. Coming from my heart. Over the years, when I made the journey, 47 score out of 50, and I went to 3. So there was a huge transformation in my life. So those steps I've been teaching people, and slowly they became crystallized. So these are the 7 steps you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your life will have the same effect. Then they became 7 steps A, 7 steps B, C, D. Now, you can pick up any 7 things. It's customized for you because the problem that you are having is very unique. So you can follow either of these 7 steps, whatever you feel like, your life will change. Person B may not follow your steps, may follow other steps. So I'm giving you a lot of steps, lot of techniques. So you follow those techniques, any 7 techniques, your life is going to change. And you can feel the difference yourself from day one. You feel the difference. Oh, kuch to hua hai. You start becoming happier, you start feeling healthier, more bubbly, more joyful, more confident. Inside, people don't know what is happening, but outside, you can see the difference. So the 7 techniques anybody can use.
Sir, moving to the next question. How does your personalized counseling and coaching help individual transform their life and achieve a beautiful, magical, wonderful BMW life? Sir, इसके बारे में please बताइए.
Like there's a BMW luxury car, there's also a BMW married life, BMW career, BMW life. If I can do it, anybody can do it. My wife Madhushri is with me. She is the source. Shiv Shakti. The Shakti is always in the feminine energy.
Right.
She is the source behind everything. Madhushri. And our counseling, our courses, consultations, first focus is you. What is going wrong with this gentleman, with this lady? So I ask very probing questions. What's happening? What happened? Then I understand the gravity of situation. How serious is the situation? What is the score? I get the score done. And most of the people come to me. Nobody comes to me with Khansi Jukam, obviously.
Right.
Obviously. Nobody will come to me with the मेरे यहाँ पे खुजली हो रही है, मेरे यहाँ हल्की सी दर्द हो रही है. They won't come to me like this. People come to me with serious problem.
Right.
And the usual score is around 40.
Okay.
Yeah. I've got people coming to me with the 40, 45, 47, and I got 3-4 people who came with 50 out of 50.
Oh my God. Oh.
यार तो जिंदा ही कैसे हो, क्या कर रहे हो? Only 2-3, not very many, but I did get. And they all got very good results. Absolute, fantastic results. Why? Why is it so? How come? I'm not a magician. I'm not a god. I'm not a devta. I'm a human being. I learned some skills. Life has taught me. Our rishis have taught me. Meditation has taught me. So I teach them. I make them practice. That is very important. Our whole thing is, first of all, I take your personal counseling in which I understand the depth of the problem, and then step by step is customized for you. For you, do this, 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 this. Next week again we meet and you are accountable. You have to practice it.
Right.
For that, I give you my recorded videos and class videos. Very important, simple techniques. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, those videos, audios. And those audios are the basis of the whole 112 techniques of meditation which Lord Shiva gave to Devi Parvati in Shiv Sutra. 112 techniques of meditation. So पूरा अध्यात्म का जो basis है वो ध्यान है. ध्यान का जो basis है, those three things I teach people. They start meditating. Very simple. Very simple. Anybody can do it. And later on, you can do even with eyes open. What we believe that for meditation, we have to sit like this all the time and do concentration. Not at all.
Right.
You can do ATM, anytime meditation with eyes open while driving. I'm talking to you. Of me, it is talking meditation, driving meditation, cooking meditation, bathing meditation, anger meditation, depression meditation, anxiety meditation, sadness meditation. Are you understanding? So everything becomes meditative. Then of course life is going to change now. Because you have converted your problem, severe anxiety, into a blessing. Life becomes joyful and start becoming thankful to your anxiety. Thank God I got anxiety. So I learned this sutra. So I learned this kriya. And it's so simple to learn. So simple. So easy to practice. And that's what I teach them. And then I've got a class, group coaching. People ask questions. I have to answer them. So that is in the class. English batch and Hindi batch separate. And best of it, in the evening, I take what is called daily practical neuro healing.
Okay.
I get it done. People sit in front of me. I tell them, do like this, do like this. So there is a practice of the various techniques, different techniques for about 30-40 minutes daily in the evening. So the theory becomes very clear, which is very small. Actually, it is practice. And I just take your session and leave you. No, you may not do it. You may not do it. No? You may be anxious. You may be depressed. You don't feel like doing. Laziness, procrastination, huge procrastination. अच्छा करूंगा ना. अच्छा मंडे से माँ कसम मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है, मंडे से करूंगा. No, mind excuses. We are all excuse masters. So I make you do it daily. तो तुम कैसे ठीक नहीं होगे? मैं हूं ना. मैं छोड़ने वाला नहीं किसी को. मैंने हाथ पकड़ लिया तो मैं छोड़ता नहीं फिर. मैं नहीं छोड़ने वाला. वो जो फेमस डायलॉग है ना, एक बारी कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं अपनी भी नहीं सुनता. Absolutely. I make sure that you hold my hand. मैं आपको दलदल से बाहर निकालता हूँ. No medicine. If you want to take medicines, if you are already taking medicines, I have no issue. It is between you and your doctor, who is a physician or a psychiatrist, whosoever. I don't interfere in that. It is up to you. And then gradually the medicines are tapered off. Because you are feeling better, you tell your doctor, decrease the dose. Again you go, you decrease the dose. And ultimately medicine gets stopped.
Good. Very good.
But there are a couple of diseases in which I don't interfere at all. मैं शालीनता से हाथ जोड़ देता हूँ कि नहीं. There are a couple of diseases in which you got to take medicines. That's why my role comes as a doctor. I'm not anybody who has just started this as a business. No, I'm very clear that this person needs medicine. How can I go against my own medical profession?
Right.
I know that this person needs medicine and this disease cannot be cured without medicine. So why should I poke my hand? No, sorry. But you said without medicines. But sir, not for you. No? I'm so sorry. I'm not a god, isn't it? So we are very clear about that.
Sir, moving to the next question, and yes, the most important also about anxiety. What are the common symptoms of severe anxiety that you have observed in your client, and how do you help them overcome these challenges? Sir, इसके बारे में please डिटेल में बताइए.
Sure. This is very important question, sir. Sir, normal anxiety तो सबके अंदर थोड़ी बहुत ही होती है. Normal way of living. झगड़ा हो गया, थोड़ी सी anxiety आ गई, घबराहट आ गई. Oh, my exams are coming tomorrow. What will happen? This is a normal thing we all go through. And tomorrow my boss is going to talk to me. So थोड़ा दुख होती है. That is normal. No medicines are required. No treatment is required. This is very normal. Okay. When severe anxiety comes, which is panic, suddenly, because it doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight. It gradually develops. You are not bothering about your own life. It keeps on increasing. Then suddenly there is a panic attack. Suddenly you become very fearful. Choking. I'll die. Call the doctor. I know a gentleman who has got 200 ECGs done. 200 ECGs done in 1 year.
Oh my God. Okay.
This is called बुरा हाल है ना. Doctors are telling him, why are you coming to me? There's nothing wrong with you. So now he understands, I won't go to this doctor, I go to that doctor. So he has tried all that cardiologist. This is the way it strikes. You're very anxious, duk 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 duk, palpitation. You can, oh, what's happening? The heart is coming out. Sweating, sweating, shivering, shivering. Actually, you're shivering. The legs are shivering, hands are shivering. My whole mouth is dry. There's itching sometimes. And headache, shoulder pain, neck pain, body is totally down. Can't get up. Oh, of course, can't work. Of course.
Right.
No way you can work like this. Whether you are a businessman or a industrialist or a professional, you can't work. You are a housewife. Naturally, you can't work. No?
Hmm.
And you need a lot of water. Pani to pani. पानी दो वही मेरी दवाई दो मेरी दवाई दो So likewise the things keep on increasing. Main thing is a very strong sense of impending doom. बस मैं तो गया. There was a gentleman, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मेरी बिल लिखवा लो, बच्चों का ख्याल रखना, मेरे से साइन करवा लो, मैं जाने वाला हूँ. He's not doing a drama. He's actually feeling it.
Hmm.
Such things happen. मतलब everything is extreme. हल्का सा होना, sweating होना कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा मूड ऑफ हो जाता है. But this is too bad. You are dying. ऐसा लगता है. और जिसके साथ होती है ना उसको पता हो.
Right.
Other people can only sympathize, na? They can take you to the doctor.
Right. Very true. Very true.
The wife can cry, the mother can cry.
Hmm.
But the person is going through the fire. उसे पता है ना, एक आग का दरिया है, तैर के निकलना है. Very difficult, sir. एक आग का दरिया है, तैर के निकलना है. So difficult for that person. बार बार हो रहा है. So basically it is a faulty lifestyle. So we have to work at the level of the mind and the body both and the lifestyle. तो ठीक हो जाता है, ठीक हो जाता है. Basically, sir, very important point you have asked me for your viewers, people who are watching us. When you go to the highway, government has put a big hoardings. सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी.
Hmm. Right.
सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी. Same thing. Balancing in everything. Balancing is everything. So balancing hati, anxiety घटी.
Right, very true. Very, very, very well put into very simple word, layman's language, even anyone can understand. Great, great, sir. Great, sir. Great. Sir, moving to the next question, and yes, it is connected one too. Please share some success stories of your client, people you have transformed their life by overcoming severe anxiety through your guidance, through your seven process and other.
I've got so many cases, so many. And my favorite is a gentleman who was young boy. And because of so much anxiety, not able to express himself properly, obviously. When all the time your head is bursting, you can't speak properly. Naturally, you can't communicate. You're so tense all the time. Tension, worry, isn't it? So this gentleman got cured. No credit goes to me in any case. I'm only a medium. And your soul is working, your Paramatma is working, Anta Paramatma. And he only followed the steps, the techniques, the kriyas. He got the results. He was in Pune at that time. So this gentleman, there was a company having 75 employees, IT people. So he was the person selected on the employees quota to become the director when the
Great.
company expanded. So the person who was not able to express himself became so friendly with everybody and so impressive, so impactful that he was selected as a director. Good, very good. Now, he was sent to California to establish the company operations.
Mhm.
He shifted there with his wife. And then there, today, he is a vice president engineering for the multinational company which he joined in USA, got the USA citizenship. And on top of that, he keeps on talking to me. We keep in touch. I keep in touch with most of my students. We are always available for each other.
Mhm.
So he said, sir, now I am doing merger acquisition. Merger
Right.
acquisition? Why तुम तो engineer हो? So मैंने कौन सा काम करना है? I have got people working under me, and I got a team all over the world, in Germany, Australia, India, UK. They get the work done. Only I know how to get the work done from people. That is my specialty.
Right.
I know how to get the work done from anybody. And I said that, Rohit ji, you must be very busy. No, sir, I've learned from you. Don't work harder, work smarter.
Right.
If I work 5 hours a day, I get tired. I've got to play with my son. So I'm playing only 4 hours I am working. Sir, this is mind-boggling. Living in a competitive society like USA, you're managing so many people under you, you're the vice president, and you're working only 4 hours. Other time, I just follow my hobby, and my son, small son, and I drive a lot, I play a lot, I move around a lot, and he only has 4 properties now. 3 cars, 4 properties. Good enough, no?
Okay. Yes, sir. Somewhat.
For a person who was at that level.
Right.
So I've got so many people like this. Another gentleman, he was MBA. So he shifted over from Jalandhar with his wife and kids to Canada. And there he lived in the basement of the sister's house
Okay.
because they were new. There were no finances.
Mhm.
No joke. It is not a joke. In 3 years, he bought a house in Vancouver,
Great, great.
7,500 square feet, because of his excellent communication skills, the confidence that he had. 7,500 square feet house. Why he was able to do it? Because very clear inside. Andar Shanti, Bahar Kranti. Basic meditation, advanced meditation, samadhi. He went to all the levels. So naturally, results had to come. It's your frequencies, your vibrations change. When you are anxious, when you are depressed, your frequencies are here. And when the frequencies go here, this is the BMW life. Highest frequencies. Beautiful, magical, wonderful. So I've got so many people.
Moving to the next question, a technical one. What role an ancient Indian philosophy and practice like yoga or meditation and Ayurveda play in integrative approach to mental well-being?
For me, it is everything. For me, it is everything. Morning yoga, the golden hour, yoga, pranayam, and of course, meditation, samadhi, all that is a part of my life, and this all I teach. Yoga I don't teach because I'm not certified and I never wanted to teach yoga. My only interest was basically meditation and mind power techniques, basically.
Okay.
So yoga is for myself. But I tell everybody, please go and start yoga. And Ayurveda I don't teach, but my wife knows a lot of things about Ayurveda. So she keeps on telling, ये खाना है, सब्जी में ये, सब्जी में. Ayurveda is all decentralized. Na? Everybody, every kitchen has got Ayurveda in India.
Right.
The lady of the house knows Ayurveda. गर्मी हो रही है तो ये खा लो, सर्दी में ये खा लो. Madhushri manages. Same way with my daughter-in-law. Her name is Kushi, Shivani Kushi. So ladies are expert in that in India.
Right. Very true.
The kitchen has got Ayurveda. The way they cook for the children, all mothers. India is full of the loving mothers, heart coming out through the best food possible for the child. That is Ayurveda. That is Ayurveda. I don't question them in the kitchen. जो बोलोगे देवी महादेवी त्रिदेवी बिल्कुल ठीक है.
Great, sir. Great, sir. Great, sir. Sir, moving back to the Seven Mind Secret, please share some practical tips and techniques that a individual can implement into their day-to-day lives. Be it can be a professional or a housewife or even students or a small kids also, because nowadays everyone is facing a good amount of stress. It can be a peer circle, it can be the lifestyle that they are following, it can be a competition. So sir, please share some practical tips they can implement into their day-to-day life.
Oh sure sir, coming from my heart. मेरे सब दुखों की तीन दवाई. मेरे सब दुखों की, please mark my words, सब दुखों की तीन दवाई. Smile, stretch और thank you मेरे भाई. SMILE. Start miracles in life every day.
Great.
Everywhere. Smile.
Great.
So the more you show your teeth, see, I've got very small teeth. You've got wonderful teeth, big teeth. The moment you open your mouth, the teeth come out. So you got a wonderful smile. For me, I have to really touch it to show my teeth. Right. So smile, because when you frown, you got a serious look. This much, you are using 64 muscles of the face. This is the human anatomy. This is the way science works, medical science. But if you are smiling, you use only 14 muscles of the face.
Great. That is good. Relaxing it is.
So you're using 4.5 times 14 70, 14 42. So about 56, about 4.5 times more energy if you're frowning. I'm very serious. Oh, that's the problem. You are serious. This is the problem. Smile. Keep on tapping with a smile. Karke dekho. I tell all my students, don't believe me. I will never ask you to have faith in me. I will never ask you to have believe in me. Nothing. Don't believe me. Don't disbelieve me either. Be neutral. जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो करके देखो. So smile, करके देखो and see the difference in your life immediately. Your neurotransmitters change. Smile. 14 muscles you are using. You're using less energy, na?
Right.
Like you're buying this pen for 64 rupees. This is available for 14 rupees. Why are you paying 64 rupees? Why? Why should you pay extra money for it? So why should you spend extra energy the whole day? Not once, the whole day. So that is causing laziness because you are serious. That is causing inertia, procrastination, tensions, worries because you are serious. Medically speaking, scientifically speaking, your fear, your anxiety cannot coexist with smile.
Okay.
It cannot. हो ही नहीं सकता. Only thing is you have to do it practically. Do it again and again and see the difference in your life. Smile. Stretch. Stretch. Yeah, देख रहे हैं sir. There are two cushions.
Yes,
One,
sir.
two.
Right, sir.
These two cushions I have tied with my chair. So the chair size is this much. Half of it taken by the cushions.
Okay.
So I'm getting only half of the chair. So purpose I have to sit straight.
Okay.
Otherwise I'll fall down.
Right.
Otherwise I will fall down. So my lower back is getting a support, right? And I'm sitting straight. My spine has to be straight. When you bend forward all the time, I know people who are walking looking down. Why? You are, oh my God, causing a huge injury to your spine. Gradually,
Okay.
your discs are getting compressed, your nerves are getting compressed. It starts sucking your energy. You don't even realize it. I've seen people daily running in the morning.
Right, right, right. Very true.
नीचे क्यों देख रहे हो?
Hmm.
What are you searching for? Talk straight, walk straight. Talk straight, walk straight, sit straight. Spine has to be straight. I'm not saying that you be like an army man, of course, are very, very confident. Only because of this reason. The spine is straight. You are a civilian. But at least don't bend forward, na? Similarly,
Hmm.
computer, my laptop, the underlying support system is only 200-300 rupees and it is straight. Per force, I have to sit straight and do the typing.
Right.
If it's lying straight on this table and I'm bending forward and typing, 5 minutes okay. But being a professional, all of us are typing the whole day, working on the laptop. So what's going to happen? 8 hours, 10 hours, you're on the com, tung, 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 right? It sucks your energy, makes your nerves weak. Stretch your cheeks, stretch your spine, stretch your shoulders. Formula you want to know? Chest out, shoulders back, 1 millimeter up, only 1 millimeter. That's all. Chest out, shoulders back, chest out, shoulders back. Anybody can do it.
Okay.
Chest out, not like this, of course, but chest out, shoulders back. मजा आ जाएगा जिंदगी का. Immediately you become fresh. That's why in yoga, if you see, they insist सीधा बैठो, सीधा बैठिए, and all the asanas they're designed in such a way your back becomes straight. अब बैठ के
Right.
देख लो, कोई भी आसन कर लो, body becomes straight. This is the reason. So smile, stretch, thank you. You got to thank each and everything in the morning and the whole day. Why? Why should I thank? Very simple reason. Because you're alive. Whom should you thank? Everything, the whole life. Thanking this computer, thanking you, thanking Yogi Ram. Such a beautiful podcast you have got. And this, my office, my home studio, my MacBook, my mobile, and the trees here. From my balcony, I've got 19 trees to watch.
Great, great.
We are living in Nanded city in Pune. So
Mhm.
very big society, huge, biggest. This is a 700 acres of beautiful. Maza aa gaya. So thanking everything, thanking life. Sir, if you go to Google, in Google you say how many people die every day. So Google Baba will say, hey, but daily 1.5 lakh people die.
Right, right,
1 lakh
right,
in the morning, 50,000 at night. I'm still alive now.
right.
You are still alive. We could have died in the last 5 minutes. I'm still alive. I can see, I can talk, I can eat, I can sit, I can piss. Be thankful for it. Everything. Be thankful. Even be thankful for anxiety. Be thankful for depression, fear, tensions, phobias. They start getting recovered. Be
Okay.
thankful simply for the process of living. You're able to breathe. Be
Hmm.
thankful for the air. So the whole day,
Great,
silent
great,
laughter. Thank you.
sir.
Get
Great,
up in
sir.
the morning. The moment eyes open, stomach going in and out, stomach going in and out. While lying in the bed, eyes are half open, half closed, and no sound, silent laughter. Laughter is the father of smile, right? Grandfather. So thank you to the blanket, thank you to the pillow, thank you to the sheet, thank you to your life partner, thank you to the room, thank you to the temperature, any damn thing. There's a mosquito. Thank you. बस दिन भर में इसे मैजिक करके देखो, बस करके देखो, लाइफ बदलनी शुरू हो जाएगी. मेरे सब दुखों की 3 दवाई, smile, stretch, or thank you, mere bhai. And of course, meditation.
Great, sir. Great, sir. Sir, moving to the next question. Please share your insight on the role of communication and interpersonal skill in managing anxiety and building healthy relationship.
Sir, my wife is here and she's the source behind everything. And our marriage is wonderful from day one only because of the excellent communication skills rapport that we have with each other and with our family. Right. Human relations are what? Communication only, na? We
Right,
got to
right.
express our feelings. All suppression leads to explosion sooner or later. People keep on suppressing themselves. No, I'm not angry. No, it's okay. And deep inside the fire is burning and the cooker blasts. It is
Right,
better to share with each other. If you don't like, tell, na. How will the other person understand whether you're liking or not? You do not require any big communication skills. You just simply go to talk, express. That's all is required. And if you do with a smile, तो सोने पे सुहागा.
Hmm.
Because you suppress your feelings, you don't express them. तो क्या होता है? एक कुकर की सीटी बजी, over. If you weld the safety valve of the pressure cooker is going to explode. So this is what happens. You don't express, you don't tell what you are feeling. So what happens then? The heat is building up, you explode, then the other person explodes, then things go from bad to worse. No real communication is required. Just normal talking is more than enough. हम वही नहीं करते. I'm very busy. 5 मिनट तो लगा सकते हो. स्माइल तो कर सकते हो. आई कांटेक्ट तो कर सकते हो. आईज आर ए मिरर ऑफ द सोल. तो अब जैसे मेरी वाइफ आई है, राइट, जस्ट टू सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. तो अभी मैंने क्या किया आपके सामने? आई डेलिबरेटली यूज दिस सेंटेंस. अभी वाइफ आई है, so I looked at her. So we had eye contact. Enough. I'm doing this podcast. I'm professionally busy. अब मैंने आंखों में ऐसे देख लिया तो बुरा तो नहीं हुआ ना?
Right. Right.
she knows that I have been given attention.
Okay. Okay.
Acknowledge तो करो ना कि wife has come in the room
Hmm.
early morning, isn't it? So simply acknowledging eye contact with a smile. शुरुआत करो. लोग यही नहीं करते. एक दूसरे को देखते नहीं है. Talk with a smile. Express your feeling. Mama, I'm not liking it. Mama, I want this. बेटा तुमने ये ठीक नहीं किया. बताओ तो सही. Don't explode. Don't shout all the time. Gently you can speak ना. शालीनता से. Sir, the essence of communication in any relationship, whether it is marriage or parents and children, brothers, sisters, the essence. मैं सब कुछ फाउंडेशन पे जाता हूँ सर. गंगोत्री से गंगा निकलती है. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड गंगोत्री यू अंडरस्टैंड गंगा. सिंपल कम्युनिकेशन. आप कैसे भी बोलो, कोई भी भाषा हो, छोड़ दो ग्रामर को. देयर इज नो नीड फॉर एडवांस स्किल्स. बेसिक थिंग, द वे यू आर बिहेविंग, द वे यू आर टॉकिंग टू द ऑपोजिट पर्सन, सेम थिंग इफ इट इज डन टू यू, how would you feel? I won't like it. They also won't like it. Don't do it. Oh, I'm going to like it. Do it then, and do it more.
Right.
If Yogi Ramji is now smiling while listening to me, अच्छा लगता है, तो और करो फिर. Simple. Nothing else is required. दिल से, सब कुछ दिल से. Communication is दिल से.
Hmm.
दिल में. हम अभी कभी हिंदी बोल रहे हैं, कभी इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं, मिक्सचर बोल रहे हैं. ये दिल से हो रहा है. कोई दिमाग नहीं है, कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है मेरी. मैंने पढ़ के बोल, मेरे दिल से आ रहा है. My whole class is with a दिल. दिल से. फिर जो होगा इफेक्टिव होगा. दैट इज इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन, जो दिल से आती है. दिमाग को यूज करना है विद नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. कंप्यूटर, कार, बाइसिकल, वाटर, मोबाइल, माई स्पेक्स, माई कोट, माई कोम्ब, माई शूज. वहां दिमाग यूज करो. लेफ्ट ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, राइट ऑन द राइट साइड. विद क्लोज. पैंट नीचे पहननी है, शर्ट ऊपर पहननी है. वहां पे लॉजिक लगाना. लॉजिक इज वेरी गुड. But logic is a very good tool. But if it becomes your master, it destroys your life. Logic is a very good tool as long as it is a tool and a slave. When the logic becomes the master, how can you have logic in a marriage? Marriage is totally illogical. It is the most illogical relationship. Parent-child relationship is an illogical relationship. दिल से होता है ये. Simple ना?
Very true. Very true. Very true.
My second marriage is a blockbuster hit. क्यों? Simple. When I make a mistake, I say sorry. When my wife makes a mistake, I say sorry. ये जोक था.
Moving to the next question, please also elaborate how you help your clients overcome fear, phobia, and other mental blocks that contributes to their anxiety. क्योंकि ये भी आजकल चीजें बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रही हैं. फोबिया हो गया, फियर हो गया, या इवन मेंटल ब्लॉक्स. नाउ दे आर पीपल आर डिस्कसिंग दीज थिंग्स, एंड ये आजकल बहुत ज्यादा बिकॉज ऑफ इवन थैंक्स टू सोशल मीडिया ये भी बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को दिख रही हैं अभी. दे आर टॉकिंग.
Absolutely, sir. देखिए, all these issues, anxiety, stress, tensions, worries, phobias, fear, depression, all these basically are in the mind ना. जिसने मन को जीता उसने जग को जीता. जो अपने मन में हारा, पहले अपने आप से हारा, फिर दुनिया से हारा. मेल और फीमेल doesn't make a difference. तो सर इसमें बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स होती हैं, बट मेडिटेशन में वो चीज है, यू जस्ट डू फियर मेडिटेशन, एंजाइटी मेडिटेशन, फोबिया मेडिटेशन, depression meditation. Meditation basically is present moment awareness. होश हर पल का. होश हर पल का. तो you are actually in the present moment right now because life is always in the present moment. Past is a history. You cannot change it. I cannot change it. You cannot change it. Future is a mystery. We have no idea about it. We can dream about it. We can प्लान अवर प्लान्स, लेकिन जब एग्जीक्यूशन करेंगे तो पता चलेगा 100 थिंग्स व्हिच वी डिडंट नो. वो गाना था ना, संसार की हर शय का इतना ही फसाना है, एक धुंध से आना है, एक धुंध में जाना है. धुंध है सर, कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है. तो दिस लाइफ इज दिस मोमेंट, मोमेंट टू मोमेंट, मोमेंट टू मोमेंट, मोमेंट टू मोमेंट. क्योंकि मेडिटेशन नहीं करते इसे लोगों से नहीं होता. वंस यू आर इनटू मेडिटेशन, बेसिक मेडिटेशन, एडवांस मेडिटेशन, इट्स वेरी इजी टू लर्न, वेरी इजी टू प्रैक्टिस, देन व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग बिकम्स मेडिटेटिव. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप वीडियो को रिकॉर्ड में दोबारा देखेंगे तो मैंने बोलने के बाद देयर वाज अ पॉज, देयर इज स्मॉल पॉज व्हिच आई टुक एंड माय नेक टर्न लाइक दिस लिटिल बिट. रिकॉर्डिंग में नजर आएगा, बट आई नो वेरी वेल कि आफ्टर स्पीकिंग my body has stopped speaking. I am the witness of the body. और मेरी गर्दन ऐसे हुई. I am aware of it. मेरा हाथ ऐसे आया. I am aware of it. Moment to moment, moment to moment. Life changes. Why there is a fear? You are worried about the future.
Very true.
Why you are angry? Something happened in the past and you are ruminating about it. उसने ऐसे क्यों किया, ऐसे क्यों किया. अरे भाई वो हो चुका है अब. You can't change the past.
Right, right. Very true.
Same way with sadness. Same way depression. हाय मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ. You are ruminating about the past.
Right. Living in the past.
Feeling guilty about the past.
Right.
So You can't change the past now, no? So you have to learn how to delete the emotional memories. तो उनको कैसे delete करना है, तो वो भी meditation है. That is called emotional meditation. तो ऐसे सिंपल हैं. तो कर लेने से आपका ये जो एनर्जी वेस्ट हो रही है ना फ्यूचर एंड पास्ट में, वो खत्म हो जाता है. यू आर इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, फुल ऑफ जॉय, फुल ऑफ बबली एंथुसियाज्म. तो उसका मैंने एक फॉर्मूला बनाया सर. आइंस्टीन ने बोला था E इज इक्वल टू MC स्क्वायर. सबको पता है पूरे वर्ल्ड में E इज इक्वल टू MC स्क्वायर. अपना फॉर्मूला है E इज इक्वल टू MC क्यूब.
क्यूब, ओके.
वो एटॉमिक फिजिक्स है, बॉडी है, मैटर है. ये मामला दिल का है जी, दिल तो बच्चा है. तो वंस यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस एडवांस मेडिटेशन एंड whatever I'm teaching you, mind power techniques and brain power techniques, soul power techniques, breath power techniques. So E stands for enthusiasm. The word enthusiasm is a Greek word which has come from enthuse. Enthuse का मतलब to bring out the God from within you outside. मतलब मामला दिल का है, अंदर से भगवान को बाहर लाओ, दिल से बोलो. You start becoming enthusiastic. Enthusiasm कैसे is equal to motivation. You start becoming very motivated in whatever you want to do. Inertia khatam, procrastination khatam, laziness khatam. You know what is to be done today. This is my plan and you fulfill it. अभी मुझे सुबह योगा करना है, अभी मुझे नींद पूरी करनी है, अपनी पूरा कोटा नींद का पूरा करना है. So everything is well planned. Simple life, highly focused life, highly balanced life. Balance in everything, balancing is everything. Motivation. Now there are 3 C's. First C is you become very creative. आपको अंदर से आवाज आती है, आकाशवाणी अंदर से होती है, ये कर लो, बस करो, इतना ठीक है, उसको इतना बोल दो, ठीक है, इसको नहीं अभी बोलना, कल बात करेंगे, अभी बात करते हैं. मोमेंट टू मोमेंट यू नो व्हाट इज टू बी डन, व्हाट इज टू बी स्पोकन. यू आर सो श्योर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्फिडेंस. नंबर 2 इज क्लैरिटी, ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट क्लैरिटी. और अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है दिमाग में, कोई कंफ्यूजन है, तो यू आर वेरी क्लियर इस बारे में. आई गॉट टू नो मोर आंसर्स. सब कुछ तो मुझे नहीं आता ना. आई एम नॉट IT पर्सन, मुझे कुछ सीखना है, तो आई एम वेरी क्लियर कि यहाँ पर मुझे कुछ सीखना है, तो लेट मी आस्क माई मेंटर्स. तो आई गॉट माई मेंटर्स. सब कुछ तो मुझे नहीं आता ना. आई गॉट टू लर्न फ्रॉम माई मेंटर्स. तो आई एम वेरी क्लियर कि मेरा फील्ड नहीं है, मुझे उनसे लर्न करना है. एंड सिमिलरली हाउ टू हैंडल दिस इश्यूज विच कम अप in day-to-day life about the mobile and this and that. Some things I don't know, I got to ask. That clarity is there. So second C is the clarity, absolute clarity. और सर लाइफ में अगर आप ध्यान से देखें, बात क्लैरिटी की है ना सर. If you are able to think clearly, express clearly, where is the problem in life? क्योंकि क्लैरिटी नहीं है, कंफ्यूजन है, क्या करूं, किस किस को मिस करूं, किस मिस को किस करूं. मैं आ रहा हूं कि मैं जा रहा हूं, मुझे नागपुर जाना है कि कानपुर जाना है. नहीं, कानपुर भी अच्छा है, नागपुर चलते हैं. ये कंफ्यूजन है, क्लैरिटी, क्योंकि मेडिटेशन नहीं है. द मोर यू मेडिटेट, द मोर देयर इज अ क्लैरिटी. थर्ड सी is consistency. All these things start happening consistently, daily, regularly, step by step. E is equal to MC cube. This is the power of meditation. I give so many formulas like this in my class. You explain a very big concept in a very small way, easy way. I don't do it. मुझे अंदर से आवाज आती है. That is my clarity, ना? That is my skill. ऐसे होता है.
Moving to the next question and the most common one too. Please share your thought on role of technology and digital tool in managing anxiety and promoting mental well-being in the modern era. क्योंकि आजकल यही डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी, रील्स हो गए, शॉर्ट्स हो गए, पीपल आर गेटिंग स्ट्रेस फ्रॉम देयर. सो इसको अपन कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं टू गेट इनटू द well-being side?
Social media technology is a blessing in modern day terms, but also is a curse.
Right.
You get so involved into the reels. अरे आधा घंटा बीत गया. I have to give the report to the boss when I'm doing like this. Happens so many times, right? I'm studying for my exams. UPSC entrance. कर क्या रहे हो? So this video was very good. I got distracted. 100 times it has happened. There's a curse. And the blessing is that so much knowledge is available. People are doing so much of value addition to people's life. All the coaches इतना कुछ सिखा रहे हैं. You understand? So many coaches are there, ना? Like me, online. कितनी knowledge मिल रही है बताइए सर? In every field. Right. Every field. Be it cooking, driving, medicine, right? Law, anything you want, it is available. That becomes overwhelming. That also becomes too much. So we have to learn how to balance our life, structured life. So social media में लोगों को ये देखना है interesting but not useful.
Right.
अपने करियर के लिए, अपनी फैमिली के लिए, मेरी हेल्थ के लिए, it is not really useful. Interesting बहुत है. Interesting बहुत है. Right. Second is useful but not interesting. मेरे को जरूरत है. I know it. It's very good for me. But it is presented in a very boring way. And the next video, the dance, reality show, and the news, and the debates they're showing on the news, how they are fighting with each other. You are hooked. क्या बोला उसने क्या बोला? आधा घंटा गया. Useful but not interesting. Third is not useful नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग, वो तो हम देखते ही नहीं। फोर्थ इज यूजफुल प्लस इंटरेस्टिंग बोथ। तो इफ ए यूजफुल नॉलेज इज अवेलेबल प्रेजेंटेड इन ए वेरी शॉर्ट इंटरेस्टेड वे, तो वी हैव टू मेक ए चॉइस। इतनी अवेयरनेस तो करनी पड़ेगी ना। व्हेन आई एम वाचिंग द रील और आई एम वाचिंग द वीडियो, एटलीस्ट सेलेक्ट ए गुड वीडियो विच इज यूजफुल फॉर यू एंड योर करियर। इतनी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन तो करनी पड़ेगी ना। तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज पावर ऑफ विवेक। विवेक मीन्स व्हाट, ये करना है कि ये नहीं करना है। लाइक श्री कृष्ण इन गीता गेव द पावर ऑफ विवेक to Arjun. He wanted to leave. So his Vivek was awakened. So he became very clear with the help of his Lord, hey, bhai, this is the time to fight. Lifelong you have been preparing for this event now. Oh yeah, he understood. Now Vivek says, today we'll fight here, today we'll fight here, today we'll kill him or whatever. अरे विवेक ना, कहाँ लड़ाई करनी है, कहाँ नहीं करनी। तो पावर ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कम्स विद मेडिटेशन। So that Lord Krishna was available with the as a friend to Arjun. So our Lord Krishna is our Krishna consciousness within us, our soul. It is there all the time, giving us ideas every moment as intuition flash. ऐसे कर ले। A small voice which says, do it, don't do it. कर ले, मत कर। Looks very logical. We don't follow it. We listen to our mind's logic. लोग क्या कहेंगे? So what I'm saying here is, if you start listening to your intuition, you get all the answers. All the answers are within us. I can go on and on and on and on this topic. Listen to your intuition, which is coming from your own Krishna consciousness, your own soul, Anta Paramatma, whatever name you want to give it.
Then moving to the end of the podcast and taking another important question. Many times it happens that people wait for the ultimate goal to achieve ultimate big victory. But please share your thought, your perspective on importance of celebrating small wins and milestone in the journey of overcome anxiety and the day-to-day life.
Very important, sir. Very important question. देखिए sir, why do we want to achieve a big goal? Because we'll get a dopamine kick in the brain. ये हमारा brain है sir. 4 lobes here, 4 lobes here. Brain is not painted. Hello, it is just a model. It's just a model. This orange is the frontal lobe, front. ठीक है sir? This is the logical brain. Prefrontal cortex.
Okay.
100% logic by logic. 100 by 100 logic. Emotion 0 by 0.
Oh, okay.
Only logic. हमने जो भी आज तक सीखा अपनी लाइफ में, A for apple, B for boy, how to walk, how to talk, how to drive is here. This is our emotional brain. This is called limbic system. छोटा सा. This amygdala is the cause of the anxiety. Yellow one. तो इसमें क्या है सर? इसमें 2 हार्मोन्स आते हैं, इसके ऑर्डर से आते हैं, यहाँ से नहीं आते, इसके ऑर्डर से आते हैं। एड्रेनालिन, कॉर्टिसोल, दे आर द स्ट्रेस हार्मोन। तो सीवियर एंजाइटी में ये बहुत बढ़ जाते हैं। और इसके एकदम पीछे एक दूसरा सेंटर होता है, वो भी इमोशनल ब्रेन का हिस्सा है। यहाँ पे कोई लॉजिक नहीं है। NAC, न्यूक्लियस अकम्पेंस, वहां के ऑर्डर से आते हैं 4 हार्मोन विच आर अवर हैप्पीनेस हार्मोन्स। DOSE, डोपामिन, ऑक्सीटोसिन, सेरोटोनिन, एंडोर्फिन। DOSE, डोपामिन, ऑक्सीटोसिन, सेरोटोनिन, एंडोर्फिन। फॉर्मूला बनाया मैंने। डोपामिन इज द मस्त हार्मोन। हमको लाइफ में जो मजा आता है ना, वो डोपामिन से आता है। तो बड़े बड़े गोल हमें अचीव करने हैं, उसे डोपामिन किक मिलती है। साल में एंड में मैं इतना टारगेट पूरा करके दिखाऊंगा। सो एट दैट टाइम देयर विल बी बिग पार्टी लाइक दिस, और आपको एक डोज डोपामिन की मिल गई। इफ यू आर ए स्मार्ट गाय, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, योगी जी, द पर्सन विल डिवाइड दैट बिग गोल इनटू स्मॉल टारगेट। तो सोचो आपने महीने का टारगेट कर लिया, तो एवरी मंथ यू आर फुलफिलिंग द टारगेट, तो प्रेशर भी कम है। तो अगले महीने का तो यू हैव गॉट 12 डोजेज ऑफ डोपामिन इन 1 ईयर। सिंपल लॉजिक ना। आपने 1 लाख अचीव किया या 10 करोड़ किए या 100 करोड़ किए, बॉडी को नहीं मालूम। द ब्रेन डजंट नो व्हाट इज 100 करोड़। ब्रेन सिंपली नोज दैट यू आर एक्साइटेड, you achieved your target, yeah, and there is a party, you got 1 full dose of dopamine, 1 unit, example ले रहा हूं मैं। Here you got 12 units of dopamine, ठीक है ना, simple logic। Now suppose you make weekly target, so you got 52 doses of dopamine, ठीक है सर। And suppose you make a daily target, 10 घंटे काम करना है, 8 घंटे काम करना है, let us say 8 hours, 1 घंटे में मुझे ये प्रोजेक्ट खत्म करना है, 1 घंटे में मुझे ये करना है, तो you get 8 doses daily, multiply कर लो। So the formula is very simple, 1 1 1 1, 1 day at a time। अपने को डोपामिन चाहिए। प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है कि सोशल मीडिया से भी डोपामिन मिलती है। मोमेंट मैंने ऐसे देखा और मैं ऐसे कर दिया, मैंने ऐसे कर दिया, ऐसे ये डोपामिन आ गया, किक आ गई अंदर से, कोई जोक आ गया, वो म्यूजिक आ गया, कोई न्यूज आ गई, डोपामिन मिल गया। तो डोपामिन की वजह से वी हैव बिकम एडिक्टेड टू सोशल मीडिया। तो डोंट फील लाइक वर्किंग, क्योंकि मैं अभी काम करूंगा तो रिजल्ट तो महीने बाद आएगा, साल बाद आएगा, कितना सा डोपामिन मिलेगा। हियर आई एम वॉचिंग द वीडियोज, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, द कॉन्फ्रेंस इज गोइंग ऑन एंड साइमल्टेनियसली मैंने इसको ऑन रखा हुआ है, मुझे किक तो यहाँ से मिल रही है, but I'm distracted from the whole conference and the boss. So I'm not going to be interested. People will find out. I'll be kicked out. Plus, I'll be feeling very anxious. So 1 hour at a time. बस 1 घंटे का मुझे काम खत्म करना है. 1 day at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 task at a time, 1 moment at a time. तो
Great.
सर जी मैं जो भी कर रहा हूँ छोटा, I'm getting my dopamine kick. So the whole day you are happy. The whole day you are excited. मजा आ रहा है जिंदगी जीने का. तो सर जी एंग्जाइटी कहाँ जाएगी? एड्रेनालिन कॉर्टिसोल goes down, dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin go up. बात खत्म हो गई. आपकी एंग्जाइटी क्योर हो गई. And the master key is with you. 1-1-1-1. बात खत्म. So many things like this. तो टारगेट आपको पूरा हो गया ना पूरे साल का.
Right.
Plus you enjoyed the whole process daily. Every moment you are enjoying.
Great, sir.
Clear हो गया ना सर ये?
Yes, sir.
Small, tiny target, baby target, baby steps करते करते अब कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे. And anxiety will vanish.
Great, sir. Sir, moving to the last second question of this podcast, it was really great pleasure to have you on the podcast और बहुत अच्छा लगा personally मेरे को भी. आपने चीज से आपने जिस तरीके से आपने बताया, that was really great. The last second question I would love to ask, and yes, many people are will be waiting for this question and they will be pausing and rewinding this answer. Sir, how people can connect with you, how people can get the guidance from you, आपके क्या क्या courses हैं, क्या क्या sessions हैं, सर इसके बारे में सर प्लीज डिटेल में सर बताइए.
My WhatsApp number 937-101-9517. They can chat with me. Anybody welcome. Or then I'll ask some few questions. Then we'll fix up a consultation time. उस consultation time में I'll understand the whole problem in detail. And then some people need my counseling, some people don't need my counseling. ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't want to sell anything to anybody. Just because you're given a call, मैं तुमको पकड़ के अपने कोर्स में डाल दूं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
Right.
मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. Sir, I'm going to be 70 years, sir. Right? What has given you enough now? 46 years of experience. मुझे पता है ना किसको क्या देना है.
Very true.
If I cannot help you, मैं हाथ जोड़ दूंगा ना. मैं हाथ जोड़ दूंगा. Like for example, yesterday the patient who came to me in real severe anxiety, 46 was the score.
Okay.
Bad case. So I took the history. So what about a BP? So yesterday my BP was 180 by 122. Huh? Why come to me?
डॉक्टर के पास जाइए सबसे पहले.
I don't want to take any medicines. Sorry sir, मुझे माफ कीजिए. 180 भाई साहब, don't take a risk.
Right,
What are you
right.
doing? Can I help him? No. Not today. Maybe after 4 months. Come to me after 4 months. But stabilize yourself. Go to the doctor. I pushed him. First he was feeling bad. Then I sent him WhatsApp message. My dear friend, urgently go to the doctor. So he went and the doctor cardiologist, you're coming at the right time. No, something bad could have happened. An artery could have burst.
Right.
Big things could have happened. So they started the medicines and everything. Got the ECG done and other tests to be done now. But he was guided properly. Just because he has come to me, no. This case needs medicines.
Right.
180, 122, not a joke. Young man and weight 115 kgs.
My God.
आप समझ रहे हैं ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
Body is taking too much.
हाँ, so I will not handle such cases. You got to go to the doctor, stabilize yourself. Then lifestyle management, I'll show you.
Right.
My rule comes later, not first. So I'm very clear about it. I'm very, very clear about it. So people come to me, I can help them. We talked about our course, कितनी counseling sessions होंगे, and what all videos I'm going to give you in our class, and our daily neuro healing in the evening. People join systematically, they come out of their problems. That's why if you see our reviews in the Google search, excellent reviews people are given. Excellent.
Right.
So, why? Because they're feeling happy. Life has changed, really transformed BMW life. So basically, just communicate with me, chat with me on the WhatsApp first. From there, we take off systematically.
Great.
And everybody is a VIP for me. I take the history full. I fully understand the whole case. Everything about you is important. I must understand the whole thing. Otherwise, how can I guide? Unless I know you properly. How will I guide you?
Very true.
ये थोड़ी के बंदा बुखार में आए क्रोसिन दे दो बात खत्म. No, everything has to be customized for you, tailor made for you. आपको सामने है ना? This is a history.
Right.
Likewise, all people similar history. बीच में कलर्स कितने हैं, कोडिंग कितनी है. Every color code has got a meaning for me. Why I have given this code while taking the history. And all this is happening while I'm talking to you. आपको पता भी नहीं मैं सब नोट कर रहा हूँ. Everything is important about you. Then only I can help you, na?
Very true. Very true. That is really
And
great.
people come and within 7 weeks they get the results. Absolutely. My bold promise is after 7 weeks if you feel कि सर मेरी लाइफ अभी पूरी BMW नहीं हुई है, I need more help. Hold my hand. I'll work with you free. My bold promise after 7 weeks. Till a time you are fully satisfied. No further charges will be there. in group coaching.
Right.
That's the
Right.
guarantee I give. I'll work with you free. तुमको पूरा satisfied होना है. क्लास में आते रहो, क्लास मिलती रहेगी. You'll keep on getting my videos, keep on getting my evening free healing. आते रहो. पूरा ठीक करना है. प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. Come with me. I'm here to help you. कभी ऐसे हुआ है सर आपने 2 महीने काम किया, सैलरी ली, बाकी टाइम आपने फ्री काम किया कंपनी के लिए? नहीं होता है ना. यू वांट सैलरी एवरी मंथ. मेरे यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है. 7 weeks इज अबाउट 2 months. उसकी हमने फीस ली, उसके बाद आई एम वर्किंग फॉर यू फ्री. देयर इज नोबडी एल्स डूइंग इन द होल कंट्री लाइक दिस.
Right.
I really want to help you. I know what I've gone through in my life with that anxiety and how to come out of it. I want to really help you.
Great, great, sir.
तो ठीक होना ही होना है विदाउट मेडिसिन. मुझे जरा भी लगेगा कि इसको मेडिसिन चाहिए, मैं फट बोल दूंगा प्लीज गो टू द डॉक्टर, स्टार्ट द मेडिसिन. मैंने दवाइयां छोड़ दी हैं 33 years ago. आई विल नॉट प्रिस्क्राइब एनी मेडिसिन. मैंने भूल गया मैं तो दवाइयां.
ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट सर. मैं एक बार योगीराम के जितने भी व्यूअर्स हैं मैं उनको ये बताना चाहूंगा, जितने भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं उनको बताना चाहूंगा, वी हैड ए रियली ग्रेट पॉडकास्ट विद सर. और मैं सर की बात करूं, डॉक्टर सुधीर अरोरा सर, यस ही इज अ डॉक्टर, ही इज हेल्पिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग मेनी लाइव्स थ्रू हिज 7 माइंड सीक्रेट ग्रुप ट्रेनिंग एंड यस मेकिंग लाइफ BMW. और सर के साथ बात करके बहुत बहुत पर्सनली मैं बोलूं बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत सारी चीजें सर ने, बहुत सारी टेक्निक शेयर करी जो even everyone can implement, practice in their day-to-day life, and definitely they can see the results in their expected जो टाइम है उससे कम में they can get the result. सर आपसे बात करके बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा and I am really thankful for your precious time from the whole योगीराम team. and जो भी व्यूअर, जो भी इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं और आगे देखने वाले हैं सर, उनकी तरफ से सर एक लास्ट मैसेज, क्लोजिंग मैसेज सर, आप योगीराम के टीम को, योगीराम के व्यूअर्स को, और जो जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं एंड जिन्होंने भी आपसे गाइडेंस लिया है, हेल्प लिए है, उनकी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म हुई है सर, उनके लिए सर एक लास्ट मैसेज सर.
तब मैंने एक सॉन्ग, मैंने लाइफ में एक ही सॉन्ग जो मैंने अपना बनाया है, तो पीपल आर वाचिंग मी, दे कैन जस्ट वॉच मी अगेन आफ्टर रिवाइंडिंग द वीडियो. मेरा वक्त आ चुका भाई, आ चुका. मैं सही राह पर निकल चुका भाई, निकल चुका. मेरा भाग्य बदल चुका भाई, बदल चुका. यस 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 आई कैन, यस आई कैन, यस आई कैन. थैंक यू. इट टेक्स 25 seconds. दिन में 3 बारी 4 बारी कर लो, चलते फिरते कर लो. अंदर से अंदर की बात है, बड़ी मोटिवेशन आएगी.
ग्रेट 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 सर, ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट सर. सर बहुत अच्छा लगा. पर्सनली मैं एक बार फिर से बोलना चाहूंगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. इट वाज रियली अ ग्रेट सेशन, ग्रेट पॉडकास्ट आपसे बात करके. एंड रियली anyone who will be watching this video, he or she will be feeling the same thing. So sir, closing note sir, बहुत अच्छा लगा सर आपसे बात करके. एंड मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आपको कि आगे भी हम लोग किसी सब टॉपिक पे भी बात करें विथ योर अवेलेबिलिटी, विथ योर जैसा भी आपका टाइम हो. एंड अगेन आई रिक्वेस्ट कि आपके नेटवर्क में, आपके सर्कल में और भी जो लोग हैं, पीपल हु कैन शेयर देयर जर्नी, आई वुड लव टू हैव देम, आई विल रिक्वेस्ट देम. आपसे भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज शेयर माय रिक्वेस्ट कि वो इस पे आए एंड इट विल बी अ ग्रेट थिंग. वो भी आते हैं एंड इट वाज रियली माय प्लेजर. बहुत अच्छा लगा सर आपसे बात करके सर. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच.